How to create a CV on Canva. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily create a CV by using Canva. So first thing, simply head over to any of your browser and just search in for canva.com, and once you search in for canva.com you'll be heading over to this page, and just make sure you are logged into your account. As you can see, I am already signed on to my account. So from over here, just head over to search and just search in for CV. And once you search in for CV, you can see there's an option to choose different from templates, or you can also create your CV from the blank. So if you want to build a CV from scratch, you can simply click on this blank, or what you can also do is you can simply choose any one of these templates from over here, and make sure it's not premium, because if it's premium you will have to pay it to use that particular template. So let me just show you by clicking on this template which I like. And from over here what you can do is you can just customize your name from over inside here, just like changing the name over here. And you can change your similarly contact details, locations, your education, work experience, just like this. But if you want to build it from scratch, you may do not need these lines, or you can just add it from over here inside of this row, column, or text. As you can see here, you can also add different elements like graphics or text. But inside of CV you don't really use that much graphics, so it's best to use this type of templates. So that is exactly how you can easily create your CV inside of Canva. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.